Cash Giraffe has no deposit requirement, while Blackout Bingo can involve entry fees for cash competitions. So Cash Giraffe is the simpler choice, if your main concern is avoiding upfront costs. By the end, you'll know how the two apps handle money, where fees can appear, and which option gives beginners the lower-cost way to start. Cash Giraffe uses a play-and-earn model. You play featured mobile games, complete available activities, collect gems, and exchange those gems for rewards such as PayPal Cash or gift cards. The important part is that you don't need to deposit your own money to start earning rewards through Cash Giraffe. Its official site describes the app as free to use and says there are no subscriptions or hidden fees. That makes the cost structure relatively straightforward. Your main investment is time spent completing the activities that generate gems. Blackout Bingo works differently because it combines free gameplay with competitive cash matches. You can play free games, but cash tournaments can require an entry fee. That doesn't automatically make Blackout Bingo a worse option. The fee is connected to the competitive format. You pay to enter certain cash matches, then your potential winnings depend on how you perform against other players. For someone comparing fees, the distinction is simple. With Cash Giraffe, you can start without putting money into the app. You earn rewards through gameplay and other qualifying activities, then redeem them when you reach the applicable threshold. With Blackout Bingo, you can practice without paying, but you need to check the entry amount before joining any cash competition. The exact cost can vary by match and availability. There is another point beginners often overlook. Losing a cash match can mean losing the entry amount, while spending time on Cash Giraffe does not require the same type of financial stake. So if you're looking strictly for the lower fees, Cash Giraffe has the advantage because you can use its reward system without making a deposit or paying an entry fee. Blackout Bingo makes more sense if you're comfortable with competitive cash matches and understand that some games require an entry fee. Before spending money on Blackout Bingo, open the specific cash match and check its entry amount and prize structure. For Cash Giraffe, review the current redemption options before investing significant time. The bottom line is simple. Cash Giraffe is the lower-cost option to start, while Blackout Bingo gives you a competitive cash game model where fees can apply. If this comparison helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 earning app comparisons.